Would the offender please introduce yourself for the record, stating your name and DOC number?
Augie Trouve, 99-125.
Thank you, Mr. Trouve. Let me explain the process to you. First, I will read information into the record, then the board will conduct a parole interview with you. At the end, you'll be allowed to make a brief statement before the board votes. Do you understand the process, sir?
So far,
Okay. This is the case for Augie Trouve, DOC number 99125, date of birth, June 17, 1950, classified as a second felony offender, offense, second-degree murder, sentencing date, February 26, 1981, sentenced to life in DOC, parole date, not eligible, good time, none, full term, life. Is this information correct, sir?
yes.
Thank you. Ms. Renazzo.
Sorry. Good morning, Mr. Trouve.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you today?
I'm getting there.
Good. I wanted just to clarify something that we said earlier. She said you're classified as a second felony offender. I'm showing you on my paperwork as a first felony offender. Is that right?
Second,
On your master prison record
it would be
that you
second.
got a copy of. Okay. Okay. So how old are you, sir?
72.
72. How long you been in jail?
Since 1991, I believe.
Well, so how long is that? Let's see, 29 years, almost 30 years.
Yes, or better.
39 years, almost 40 years.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. So, Mr. Trouve, if you were successful today, do you know what the residence plan would be for you based on your medical issues?
Well, yes, I would be living with my sister.
No, dear. We've arranged for you to live at another place called River Oaks.
River Oaks.
Or River Oaks.
River Oaks.
Ms. Parks, would you go ahead and just tell us? We have the video
Yes.
and all in the record, but for the record, just enter some information for us.
Okay. Mr. Truvia had a stroke about almost 2 years ago. He also has a meningioma in his brain that is large and growing, which he has refused treatment for. As a result of this stroke and possibly the meningioma causing damage to his brain, he has left-sided paralysis. He cannot move his arm or his leg. He is essentially bedridden, though with assistance, he can get up to a wheelchair. He is able to feed himself, but he requires to be bathed, dressed, turned in position. He is incontinent of urine and stool, and he does wear a diaper.
And so would you tell us about River Oaks as well?
River Oaks is a assisted live at a nursing home type facility where they would be able to take care of patients like him. And it is in Baker, Louisiana. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So I see that his last write-up was some 21 years ago in 2001. So since then, the conduct record's been good. Warden Hooper, is there anything you'd like to add about Mr. Trouve?
He is a second-time offender. There's an amendment on 3/4/2022. So he is a second class, and he does have a good conduct record.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate that clarification. I don't see any other questions by my colleagues. Mr. Trouve, is there anything you'd like to say to us? Do you understand about the River Oaks facility in Baker?
Not really.
Well,
Not really. This is my first time.
they found a suitable residence that can take care of you. I'd be concerned about your sister's ability to be able to take care of you like you need to be cared for.
Well, she has over 25 years of hospital employment.
Well, I'm going to defer to the staff there at Angola to make that judgment call. I think they've probably found a facility that works well for you. Are you willing to go there?
Yes.
All right. Well, I think we're prepared to vote. I don't see any questions by my colleagues, so I will vote first, Mr. Trouvier. Based on the information that's been provided in the record and then that's been provided today, your age, your length of incarceration, and your medical concerns, my vote today would be to grant the medical treatment furlough. Ms. Wise?
Good morning, sir. I concur with my colleague based on the information we received to grant your medical treatment furlough, and as it was recommended by the medical director and Secretary LeBlanc that you are eligible. Best wishes to you, sir.
Thank you.
Listen to the professionals now and trust their judgment on what's best for you. All right.
Mr. Marabella?
My vote would be the same for the same reasons as both you and Ms. Wise.
All right, Mr. Trouvier, you've been granted a medical treatment furlough. So you'll be transferred to the River Oaks and Baker. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Warden Hooper, I think that concludes our business at your facility, so we will adjourn. The time is 9:29. Thank you.